You don't have to go to LinkedIn Ads UI. You just type in your prompt away, and then you will get your LinkedIn Ads reporting data right away. Hello, everybody. I'm Gu. I'm the founder of Adzviser. Today, I want to show you how Adzviser LinkedIn Ads connector could help digital marketers to analyze their LinkedIn ads data directly within Claude.ai. You don't have to go to LinkedIn Ads UI. You just type in your prompt away, and then you will get your LinkedIn Ads reporting data right away. Okay, so let's get started. How much did I spend on LinkedIn ads this month in the demo account? And what are the clicks, impressions, and then conversions like? That's our prompt. In the meanwhile, I want to explain a little bit more about what is going on under the hood. So in May 2025, Adzviser fully supports MCP now, which is a open standard that allows AI applications to talk to data and then tools in a universal standard. So this allows us, Adzviser, to connect digital marketers' data to Claude and maybe even more AI platforms in the future. Okay, so now Claude is doing its thing. It's communicating with our MCP server. And here we go. We have successfully retrieved spend, clicks, impressions, and then conversions. Okay, so this is how you get your LinkedIn ads reporting data to Claude. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.